Hello students, this is another circle based question which is very common in board exam which comes for 5 marker here. So this is a textbook question. What is the basic here? If there are two tangents, two parallel tangents to a circle with center O touching the circle at A and B respectively. So here it's touching A and B. These two are tangent and you will see that AB is going to be the diameter because parallel tangents are always at the end point of the diameter. Another tangent at C intersect the line L. You can see that here this is tangent DE at C intersecting line L and M at DNE, right? What you need to prove here, DOE is going to be 90 degrees. So let us see here. I'm taking the second question figure because it's a past paper question and the first question is based on textbook, right? So here let us take this figure, right? Now you have to draw the rough figure in your paper. So how are you going to draw it? First draw the circle, then draw the diameter, then two tangents, then mark point C and draw another tangent DE, right? Touching L and M at DNE. So how are you going to do it? So how do we prove? Now you need to reach to the angle here. I have to get the angle DOE as 90 degree. So first thing you should know, how do you reach to 90-degree angle? That means I have to use one of the angle property. So how can I get it? Because AB is a diameter, you know that this total angle is going to be 180 degree, right? So how do you do it? Let us start first. What is given? Always start writing with given here. What is given here? L is two parallel tangents, right? So L is parallel to M and L and L and M are two parallel tangents, right? Here, then touching with point of contacts. With touching circle means it's a point of contact. With point of contact A and B respectively, right? This is given. Then after that, DE is another tangent with point of contact C, right? Other than that, you have to do what you need to prove here. To prove is angle DOE is equals to 90 degree. Then what construction or this construction to prove that straight angle sum up to 180 and from there we are going to derive this. I have to first join O to C. That means this whole thing I am dividing into triangles and will you take the congruency to prove this question. So what did I do here? Join OC. Now can you see here? The triangle AOD, right? These two triangles I can prove they are congruent. Similarly, this and this triangle you can prove it's congruent. So how are we going to do it here? Let us start with the proof part. So you will get it here, right? First thing, which two triangles I'm going to take it here? Because triangle in triangle AOD and triangle COD, right? Now, first thing, how can you prove this is congruent? Now, you know that tangents and radius are tangent is perpendicular to the radius, right? Now, radii are equal and this is the common side. Similarly, the other two triangles also using RHS. This is right angle, hypotenuse, side opposite to 90 degree and radius is one of the sides. So, using RHS congruency. So, first thing, angle OAD is equals to angle OCD, right? What is the reason here? Tangent, because tangent is perpendicular to the radius, perpendicular to the radius through point of contact, right? Point of contact. You got this. Then the hypotenuse is the common side. So OD is equals to OD. That is nothing but the common side. And what else can we take it here? The side OA is equals to OC. OA is equals to OC because radii of same circle. Most of the time in circle you will see RH is the congruence criteria that we are using it. Radii of same circle. Right? So here I can write down here triangle AOD is congruent to triangle COD using here RHS congruence criteria. Now, why did I do it here? Because I have to take these two angles are equal. If I can prove that this angle is equals to this angle, angle AOD is equals to angle COD. While taking straight angle add up to 90 degree, 180 degree on a straight line using that property, I can do the proving part, right? So let us take here by CPCT, I'll write down these two angles are equal, right? Let me paste figure here so that we can refer while proving it here. So what I am taking here, angle AOD is equals to angle COD. This is your first result. Corresponding parts of congruent triangle are equal. Now what is the another two triangles we are going to take it here in triangle BOE and triangle COE. Again using the same criteria because radii are equal. This is the common side and the radius is tangent is perpendicular to the radius. So again using RHS, can I prove that both the triangles are congruent? Here angle OBE is equals to angle OCE, right? Either part is going to be equals to 90 degree. The same above reason. Please rewrite the statement. I'm just writing same above reason, right? That says tangent is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact, right? Now the hypotenuse is the common side, which is OE is equals to OE, which is a common side, right? And other than that, one more side, which is OB is equals to OC. This is the radii of same circle. Radii of same circle, right? Now again, you can take these two triangles are congruent. How are we going to take it here? Using RHS congruency. So triangle BOE is congruent to triangle COE using RHS congruence of triangles, right? Then why are we taking it? So can I take here angle BOE will be equals to angle COE. This is your second statement. So these two statements, to get these two statements, we are taking the congruency part. So here by CPCT. Now how are we going to use this result? I have to get the angle. So first, can I take the sum of all these four angles, right? So let me erase it so it will be clearly visible. This one we have used to prove the congruency. So can I write down here angle AOD plus angle COD plus angle COE plus angle BOE is equals to 180 degree because angles on a straight line sum up to 180 degree here, right? Angles on a straight line, angles on a straight line sum up to 180 degree, right? Please write down all the required reasons. Now from 1 and 2, because AOD is equals to COD and COE is equals to BOE. Now which part of the angle I should take it? This interior part, because I have to consider this angle and this angle. So instead of AOD, I can substitute here angle COD plus angle COD, and I need the part of angle COE. So instead of BOE, I'll write down angle COE, right? This is 180 from 1 and 2. We have already marked first and second. This result is already there. Now can we write on here 2 times angle COD plus 2 times angle COE is equals to 180 degree. Now 2 is a common factor, so take angle COD plus angle COE is equals to 180 degree, right? Now I can take 2 to the right side, this one will become 90 degree. Now what is there here? COD plus COE is nothing but this complete angle DOE, right? That was required to prove here. Angle DOE is 90 degree, right? So we got that result because COD plus COE is nothing but angle DOE is nothing but 90 degree. We reached to the result, so just write on hence proved. Right, so what you need to remember here in this question, main thing if you remember, you have to join the third point of contact to OC, take the upper two and downside two triangles, prove the congruency and take the straight angle property. Okay, thank you, hope you got it, this question. Have a good day.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Also, keep practicing.